Yep, Sanbonani guys, Sanbonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, Bafetu. Yeah, Bafetu. Straight to the point, Bafetu. I don't think Hugo Bruce is responsible, like 100% responsible ngokuselecta i-national team, Bafetu. Yes. I don't think Hugo Bruce is 100% responsible ku-national team ngokuselecta. Like, Bafetu, honestly, ungamshiya uReynolds, like honestly, asibhekene ama-stats waka-Reynolds this season beka-injured for 2 months ne. Bheka ama-stats wakhe. Evidence Mahopa akaze amatch ama-stats waka-Reynolds. UReynolds beka-injured for almost 2 months before sidlale i-AFCON. Almost 2 months. Yes. Okay, fine. Asiyeke lapho. Uselector iy'ntwana ey'ncane. AboNkotha, aboMofokeng, abobani labo, aboCampbell, abo-Smith, Taylor Smith or ubani. Ushiya abo-Reynolds, abo-Keletso Mogala, ushiya abo-Grobler, uyabashiya. Uthi wena hhayi abekho ku-form. Uthatha iy'ntwana ey'ncane ukuthi mawudliwa ngeke uzifake le ntwana. Naku besidliwa 1-0. Sidlala nabantu abayi-9 egrawundini sidliwa 1-0. For 50 minutes uhluleka ukuplana. You know why? Bengeke ukhiphe uTebogo Mokoena ufake uCampbell. You can't. Kule game of that magnitude bafethu, you can't. U-coach wethu uthathe ini? Iy'ntwana ey'ncane afuna ukujabulisa ama-agent wazo. Maybe lama-agent wale ntwana ayambhadala. That's why it happened like this bafethu. You can't ukuthi wena ushiye abantu abakuncedile ukuthi uqualify for i-World Cup. So uyabashiya. Uthi wena abekho ku-form, abo-Thapelo Morena uthi hhayi angibafuni abekho ku-form. Just imagine mfethu, everyday angibazondi aboMakgopa but I can't ngithathe uMakgopa ngishiye uReynolds. I can't mfethu, angina-striker esi-deadly lapha phambili. Ubani o-deadly? uMakgopa. Like bafethu ngicabanga ukuthi like sesikhiphe ama-calculator. Sesikhiphe ama-calculator siyodlala against Zimbabwe. Nizitshele ukuthi sizowina against Zimbabwe. Sihluleke ukuyishaya kuma-qualifiers. Yini into ezoniyenza ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi sizoyishaya ku-AFCON? Izosilaya and ngathi ingasilaya iZimbabwe idlala i-defensive game wire. Idlala i-defensive game wire. Hugo Bruce is not the one who's selecting ku-national team. Danko.